Oh, you getting him all clean? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, nice.
Look, it's draining. The water's
Oh my
flowing.
goodness. Oh my goodness. Bath's all done. Now you put him under here so he'll dry. Can you step on the thing to make him dry? Oh, awesome. Mason. Yeah. Oh, is he getting all nice and clean? Hi, Mr. Bear. Oh, he's beautiful. Beautiful.